So guys, I'm in a GBP JPY trade right now. Let me set my SL and then my take profit. My SL will be 50 cedis. And then my TP value will be right at this top. $230 cedis. Okay. So this is it. Let me show you guys. Let me really show you guys the setup and what exactly I was seeing before I entered into the trade. Okay. So I'll go to my laptop and show you guys quickly. So guys, this is my setup. Okay. This is a setup. Price. I consider this an order block, and this is a change in direction for me. So this is the low. This and you realize that this because of this imbalance here. This is another block, right? Price pulled into it 4 hours. So I'm looking for price to reject from this place to this up high place here. So this is my entry model. This is my entry model. The entry model revolves around the thesis that when price aggressively move from a place, then it doesn't matter the time frame. Price, where that price move from will have impact on every time frame, right? So I'll go to a lower time frame and look for a place there at where this big order block is, and then look at where price move aggressively and created another block, right? And so realize that when price came here, started rejecting around that level and then started pushing back to the upside. So once I saw the rejection, I'm like, okay, then this price has to go up to the upside. So that was what created the thesis for me to take the trade. So I entered into the trade right here. Where's the measure 2? I like to go long. SL was around 23 pips. Okay. And then TP will be this high place. The TP. So you realize that it's a risk to ratio of 1:4. So let's see how it play out, guys. I'll continue to update you guys. This is a setup that I pray. It's not like the prayer is gonna change anything, but this is a setup that, let me use this emoji to describe the setup. This setup look crazy like the devil like this. So let's see how it play out, guys. Let's see how it play out. I'll continue to update you guys. If you get a single position, I'll not add to any trade. I'll just let it play out like it is. So let's see how it play out, guys. Guys, you can see that the first trade on account resulted in a huge loss, right? A loss of 49 cedis. You realize that the position, I think it was news. Who can break a position down like this? So I never knew there was any news that was going to come up at this time, but it was news. So it is what it is. I'll trade tomorrow again, and then I'll continue to update you guys. Thank you guys all for tuning in. Like and subscribe to this channel. You're on the way to 1,000 subscribers. Let's go together. Let's learn together. Let's help me grow this channel, okay? I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for joining. So guys, today is Friday, end of the week, and I'm here to do my end of week reviews, right? So this is my P&L for the week. Let me go to last week. This is it. People can see that's last week now. I mean, these all the traders that I've taken in this week, right? So this is it. For the week, my total balance is $94. My profit is minus 49.94 cedis. Sorry, I said $950. It's 950 cedis, 0.06. So I've shown you guys the trade already. What have I learned this week in particular? This week the setups are not many. Even this JPY setup I take, it was a B class setup. So I have an A class setup and a B class setup. It's a pure B class setup. It didn't meet all the criteria. The order block isn't as perfect as I think it is. and all sort. But it's like, have I regretted a trade? No, because like A-class setups were very low, were very little, and a B-class setup will do. So I took a B-class setup. Price came and then smashed. You can see this is a trade. You realize that this was a trade. Yesterday, I went very just a few amount of dollars, cedis into profit, and then quickly went for a loss. You see, one of the great lessons I learned is that every week is a week by itself, meaning that you can have a single setup a week, you can have 4 setups a week, you can buy 5 setups a week. This week is one of those weeks whereby I don't really have any setup and I just had a single trade for the week. So next week we'll come back and then hope that the market has more setups that I'll take, profitable A and A plus setups, and then let's see how it's gonna play out. So this account is now $950. Let's see how it will go over time. Following my rules and following how I trade now, I know that to grow very much. So if you're new to this channel, this is Advanced Trading Mechanics, and then I'm here to document my trading journey. And then as I'm documenting, creating value and giving value to anybody who really want to learn and watch me grow as a trader. So if you're new here, kindly like and subscribe. And all those that are already supporting the channel and have subscribed, I appreciate you all guys for taking out of your time to actually subscribe to this small channel and this small project that I'm doing here. May God bless you all guys, and tune in for next week for how I'm going to really go hard on next weekend. Let's see how it's play out, guys. So peace out.